In the silent, unending theatre of the cosmos, our most powerful eye has turned its gaze towards a fleeting actor. The James Webb Space Telescope, a marvel of human ingenuity, drifts through the void, its golden mirrors designed not just to look back in time, but to scrutinize the here and now with unprecedented clarity. For only the third time in recorded history, we have confirmed a visitor from beyond our solar system. First came the enigmatic Oumuamua, then the more familiar comet Borisov. Now, a new traveler, designated 3I/Atlas, is racing through our cosmic neighborhood. Initially dismissed as just another chunk of rock and ice, Webb's persistent observation was tasked with characterizing its composition and origin, a routine checkup for an extraordinary guest. But what Webb just recorded is leaving scientists utterly stunned. The data returned is anything but routine. As teams at the Space Telescope Science Institute pored over the telemetry, a startling anomaly emerged. The object is not following a purely gravitational path predicted by our models. It's exhibiting a slight yet persistent non-gravitational acceleration. Its movement doesn't perfectly match what we'd expect from a normal comet, whose trajectory can be altered by the outgassing of sublimating ices when warmed by the sun. The deviation is subtle, but it's undeniably there, and Webb's instruments are far too precise to be mistaken. The push is smooth, consistent, and lacks the telltale spectral signature of water vapor or other common volatiles we would expect to see. This single, stubborn fact has cleaved the astronomical community. On one side, the majority of researchers are working tirelessly to find a natural explanation. They propose theories of unusual, dark outgassing from hidden jets of pure hydrogen, or perhaps a composition so strange that it reacts to solar radiation in a way we've never witnessed before. It's a fascinating puzzle, but one they believe can be solved within the known laws of physics. But on the other side, a smaller, more daring group of scientists, emboldened by the enduring mystery of Oumuamua, are whispering the unthinkable. They ask a question that pushes the boundaries of conventional science. If it isn't a natural force, could it be an artificial one? Could this faint, inexplicable push be the whisper of a functioning technology, evidence of alien propulsion, discovered in July 2025 by the Atlas Telescope in Hawaii? It's only the third interstellar object ever confirmed, after Oumuamua and Borisov. Its hyperbolic trajectory means it's not bound to our sun, it's just passing through, a traveler from another star system. Webb's infrared instruments picked up water, dust, and carbon-based compounds, all typical of comets, but its motion raised eyebrows, small deviations, as if something more than sunlight and outgassing were pushing it. Normally this could be explained by jets of gas from its surface, but the pattern looked unusual. Most scientists say it's still natural, just a tricky comet, but a minority argue the deviations could resemble a form of propulsion, intentional movement, not random. The same debate happened with Oumuamua in 2017, when some speculated it might be a probe. Could 3I/Atlas be another example? The stakes surrounding this enigmatic visitor could not be higher. This is far more than a mere astronomical curiosity. It represents a profound fork in the road for our understanding of the cosmos. The data being returned by the James Webb Space Telescope will either provide a remarkable gift to science, or quite simply, rewrite human history forever. Let us first consider the more conservative, yet still revolutionary possibility that the object is entirely natural. Even in this scenario, we are presented with an extraordinary opportunity. We have, in essence, received a package from another star system. This object is a messenger from a distant, unknown stellar nursery. By analyzing its composition, we can glean unprecedented insights into the chemistry of another part of the galaxy. Is it rich in the same organic molecules that may have seeded life on Earth? Or does it reveal a completely different cosmic recipe? It would be a rare sample of material, a tangible piece of a world hitherto beyond our reach. But then we must confront the other, more tantalizing possibility. If, however remote the chance, this object is proven to be artificial, the implications are staggering. It would signify that humanity has, for the very first time, detected a piece of alien technology, a techno-signature. This would be the single most significant discovery in our history, providing a definitive answer to the age-old question, are we alone? The cosmic silence, often framed by the Fermi paradox, would be broken. We would know with certainty that another intelligence has navigated the vastness between the stars. What could it be? A probe? A discarded piece of a larger vessel? A solar sail propelled by the light of its home star? The very existence of such an object would reshape our science, our philosophy, and our place in the universe. This is precisely why the data from the James Webb Telescope is so critical. Its powerful instruments are peeling back the layers of this mystery, scrutinizing the object for any hint of its true nature. It is crucial to state that Webb's observations have not confirmed the existence of aliens. What they have done, however, is deepen the enigma. The data has kept the extraordinary possibility alive, preventing an easy, conventional explanation and thereby fueling a vigorous and vital debate across the entire field of astronomy. For now, two paths lie before us, both leading to a new frontier of knowledge. For now, NASA calls it an interstellar comet with unusual features. This carefully worded statement is a masterclass in scientific prudence, anchored to the principle that extraordinary claims demand extraordinary evidence. By classifying 3I/Atlas this way, they acknowledge its strangeness, its interstellar origin and anomalous behavior, without leaping to a conclusion that could redefine humanity's place in the cosmos. It is a label of profound uncertainty, but behind closed doors the debate is anything but cautious. Here, data from the James Webb Space Telescope is scrutinized with awe and disbelief. Webb's unprecedented sensitivity captured the object's subtle, inexplicable acceleration. The data is unambiguous, but its interpretation has fractured the astronomical community, creating a palpable tension between those seeking a natural explanation and those who dare to consider the alternative. Did Webb witness the first sign of alien propulsion? The evidence is compelling. The object accelerated as it moved away from the sun, yet Webb's powerful instruments detected no cometary tail, no outgassing to create such a push. This recalls the mystery of Oumuamua, but with 3I/Atlas the data is far more precise. Could this be a craft deploying a vast solar sail or using propulsion beyond our current understanding of physics? To confirm it would be the most profound discovery in history. Or is this simply nature, reminding us of its endless surprises? The counter-argument is equally compelling. Perhaps 3I/Atlas is not a craft, but a new class of celestial object like a hydrogen iceberg, a comet of solid hydrogen whose outgassing would be invisible to Webb's instruments. The cosmos has consistently proven more strange than we imagine. Perhaps 3I/Atlas is simply the next great lesson. As 3I/Atlas recedes into interstellar space, it leaves behind a changed world. Its brief passage has ignited a fire of curiosity that will burn for decades, forcing us to confront the limits of our knowledge. Whether alien technology or a natural messenger, 3I/Atlas has delivered its message. We are not at the end of discovery, but merely at the beginning. The universe is waiting. Do you think 3I/Atlas is just a comet? Or could this really be a probe with alien propulsion? Let me know in the comments.